After using LG G3 for a week now, here today on Gizbot, we have come up with a first impression of one of the almost perfect smartphones released in the year 2014. LG G3 touts a 5.5-inch display, and please remember it is a Quad HD display, and it comes with an extremely high pixel density of 538 ppi, which is even higher than Apple's Retina display. We definitely got sold for this smartphone when it comes to display. It's simply amazing and crisp. But what lacks in the phone is in the form factor, which is in terms of design and build. Early rumors had suggested that LG G3 would be a metal device, but in fact it's plastic. It felt to me a bit less well built than the HTC One M8. For those who believe in plastic as an advantage, as it makes the phone a bit lighter, then LG G3 is the one for you. While the device is larger than HTC One M8 or iPhone and still lighter, so the build makes sense. Also, metal is very expensive material to build phones from and doesn't make even sense for a lot of manufacturers. One of the things that were cool and geeky are quick circle cases. These are covers that protect the back of the phone with a hard cover and the front with a softer material that has a circle cut into it. This allowed the phone to display a clock and basic notifications. These cases are nifty idea like HTC's rather nice dot view cover. But the LG version is a little more basic, and while it keeps the phone protected. Further, the LG G3 is stuffed with a quad-core 2.5 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 processor, and it also has 2 GB and 3 GB RAM depending on the variants, which would come with internal storage of 16 GB and 32 GB. There's also expandable memory option via micro SD card support. Unlike the last year's LG G2, the LG G3 features a removable rear-facing casing which allows users to easily swap out the included removable 3000 mAh battery. In terms of performance so far, the phone has been really great as an experience. We found browsing the web to especially on a benefit, and the phone is powerful enough to make scaling content sleek and responsive too. Battery life is another issue which almost all premium smartphones suffer from. However, to be totally fair to LG G3, we found the battery was very much outstanding. While the battery had to run a powerful processor, a large screen with massive resolution, with a heavy usage, the phone ran for a full day on a single charge, and that's definitely recommendable. Coming on to the camera specs, LG G3 comes with a 13 megapixel rear shooter which features advanced optical image stabilization. Also, laser autofocus for quicker focusing and a dual LED flash. There is also a 2.1 MP front-facing camera. Well, as per our experiments with the LG G3's camera, we will give it a 5 on 5. The pictures and videos captured via LG G3 were spectacular in terms of focus, colors and detailing. The laser beam autofocus somehow worked for LG. Talking about the UI of the phone, the segment where LG has received a lot of criticism in the past, well, as far as LG G3 is concerned, it's definitely an improvement from the predecessor. The phone runs on Android 4.4.2 KitKat with LG's new UI slapped on top, which has taken bits from Android, iOS, HTC's Blink feed and has come out with all new enhanced skin. Especially the keyboard, which is quite inspired by Apple iOS, is actually excellent. Also, predictions were quite accurate. Some tweakings on the setting will let you turn the path input, which is the swipe style draw, through letters option. You can also tweak the strength of the autocorrect too. which will be useful if you find it too aggressive. There are also options to update typing corrections from an online database. In the end, we would say you won't feel the need of the third-party keyboard application. LG G3 also comes with a host of new features including Smart Notice, which is more or less like Google Now and will give you a suggestion on a rainy weather or a cloudy evening. Also, you will find LG Health. It is much simpler than other phone options, but it happily tracks how far you walk each day and does so without any extra hardware or a smartwatch. Then the idea of a split screen feature is quite useful for those who wish to browse, read, watch movies and chat with their friends simultaneously. Press and hold the back button and you can have the selected apps running together on one screen. Well, LG G3 gives an interesting first impression and proves to be a useful smartphone, especially for the business-going people. It's a simple smartphone without much gimmicks like a fingerprint scanner, heart rate scanner or AirView light highlights. But overall, it's very much like a premium version of an Nexus 5. For now, it's definitely the new king of smartphones, which is up for pre-order in India at around 46k. Wait for a full review to find out more on the latest LG flagship. And if you like the video, please hit the like button below. And you can also subscribe to Gizbot Videos, the YouTube online channel, and stay tuned with us. Take care.